DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Boom! What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger video. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, gang. You see what we are doing today, man. We're back with none other than the Senegal boss himself. Who we are talking about, man? Big rapper like Bob, man. You don't know what we're talking about. Najeeriii, and this one is entitled Big Thief. You know what I'm saying? The last song we reacted to from Najeeriii was Cruff. You feel me? And Cruff was a dope track, man. And before that, we reacted to Rockabye. But Cruff was undoubtedly one of his best songs. You know, and that's one. That song actually show you say, yo, Najeeriii is not like a one-hit wonder. He got tune out there, he got lyrics, he got style. Him there for the longevity. You see me? He's not here to here today and gone tomorrow type thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. He's making a statement that he's here to stay. So. Yeah, man, and he just dropped a new track, or I believe like a day or two now. You know what I'm saying? They want to entitle Big Thief. I check it out and see where dog I deal with today. As me, I don't know. Najeeriii keep doing his, you know, doing big thing. His flow is very intriguing. Everybody got it. He got everybody talking about his flow, his style, and everything. And him right now, dog have him buzz right now. You know what I'm saying? And he's looking to carry on, carry that on, and be more, you know, he's showing more longevity. Now the game say, yo, him can't take it far and all of these things. So this will I'll check out and see what I deal with it today. As me I say, if I'm depending on inconsistency, or if you know, or if dog fall out, you know what I say? Yeah, man. So we're gonna check out Najeeriii and see if he can continue him run today. You see me keep dropping these bangers. So you see me before we jump in the track, make sure to say if you like the video, gang, if you like and enjoy the video, consider subscribing and liking. Appreciate y'all. Let's take it to the top, man. Let's hit that 10k, 100k, and a million, man. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. So we're gonna jump right in and try to go all over vibe. This is Najeeriii, Big Thief. Let's get it.
I see. Hey, crazy.
I mean, man, hey, crazy. I see, yeah.
Big rapper like bang.
Alright, Big Thief night.
Big thief, but we never shop. Leaf, first chops, then the food rise and it a chop quick.
What?
So me never stop. Skull a call pang that white and it a black sea. Get a fat on the black side, she friend a pop pill.
I say Big Thief, and we never shop. Leaf, skull panic. Hey, be on yourself, don't play with Bob, you know. Come in. And he okay me dropping it, come in.
So me never stop cheap. Skull a call pang that white and it a black sea. Get a fat on the black side, she friend a pop pill. Man a black on the stack side, me never stop flip. 17 mil sign it pen a jacksy. And a 23-inch style in it a fat rings down. Big thief but me never broke shop. Big thief them rich like us.
Big Thief but me never broke shop. I'm two the man behave on yourself. Thief on the line, come on then.
Big thief for me never broke shop. Big thief them rich like a zell account and paper cut. Chris pills like you never count. Cashier plateau 6 mil for my bread account. That's that. Big thief some prefer broke bank. I'm a pro them a dial some bread a look. Got the host them a smile.
I mean Big Thief but me prefer broke bank.
Got the host them a smile but she prefer sucker. She a pro on the bike but she never look. Cash that. Big THIEF got skulls and the whips they buy me them. Girl a say me sweet like a ice cream. Send say the got a 17 fine buy me then. Load up the paper.
Easy the one, easy the Najeeriii pan them bomba. You know I'm telling you, Senegal boss back at it to another style. Yeah, dog, them a go on hard pan the young bike them in every day in a dog. Watch man them in every video.
Fine buy me then. Load up the PayPal, try ski sell. Got food after reach from the ID cell. Never tell a lie, yo, why see them skull never make a stride like I need let that. I will make it and buy these Benz cars. Sunroof on a high speed exhaust.
But I will make it and buy these Benz cars, sunroof on a high speed exhaust. Easy the Bob. Easy the Bob.
I will make it and buy these Benz guys. Sunroof on a high speed exhaust. They run through can't wife, please step up. Chop Europeans call down a Denmark. Any lease some stocks I in extra. He say me buzzy like bees funny nectar.
She say me buzzy like bees funny nectar. I have two months that he look over.
He say me buzzy like bees funny nectar. We got the dirty 19 if you made fire. So me have the talking of jeans on the bed start. Big teeth.
Got the dirty 19 if your meds war, brother. To you, my youth, behave yourself. You don't want that, you don't want them problem there. Calm down, yo.
Big teeth, so we never broke shot. Big teeth, them rich like a Zella count. And paper cut, crispies like you never count. Cashier plateau, 6 mil.
Where's the paper pocket? Crispies like you never count. Cash out to you, yourself.
It's like you never count. Cashier plateau, 6 mil.
It's like a Zella contant.
Big teeth, some prefer broke bank. I'm a blow, them a die, some prefer love chat. Got the host, them a smile, but she prefer soccer. She a pro on the bike, so she never love cash that. Big teeth, but we never shoplift. Just chop.
Easy no man, to no big teeth, man say, but never shoplift, bro. You see me big teeth, but in prefer rob a bank, you. Don't play it, Bob.
Any food rise and it a chop quick. Cause it not stop bang, so me never stop chip. Skull a call pang, got white and it a black suit. Girl a fat on the black side, she friend a pop it. Man a blast on the stocks like me never stop flip. 17 mil sign if in a jacksie. And a 23-inch style in it a fat rings that.
Easy no man, to them. I call that, you know, the Senegal boss keep doing it, you know, man.
Big teeth, but we never broke shot. Big teeth, them rich like a Zella count. And paper cut, crisp bills like you never count. Cashier plateau, 6 mil for my brother crown. Dash that. Big teeth, someone prefer broke bank. I'm a bro, them a die, someone prefer love chat. Got the host, them a smile, but she prefer soccer. She a pro on it.
Easy no man, she a pro on it. Hey, Rui, oh.
She never look just that. Big teeth, but we never broke bank. Big teeth, them rich like a Zella count. Paper cut, crispies like you never count. Here plateau, 6 mil for my brother count. That's that. Them a die, some better love chat. Got the host, them a smile, but she.
Easy no man. The host, them a smile, but she rather. Woo!
She a pro on the bike, but she never look just that.
Yeah, pro on the bike, so she never does crash that.
Fully crazy.
Riba on them. You know. Easy na Bob. To them. Najeeriii, Senegal boss. To them, talk to them, man. Tell them say they have to stay that. Full of style, full of. You see me? Full of style and pattern. You know, I'm gonna wear my G. Tell them say lyrics, them come, the tune them come same way, and the vibes come same way. Just turn it up and take it to another level each time. You see me? Tell them say you're young in a game, brother, and you do well, and you got even better to do. You see me? Yeah, man, you're young in a game, man, you have far to grow, bro. You see me? This is only your first year in music. You know what I'm saying? Imagine next year, them time, you put in some work and grow in your music and your craft. And imagine 3 years, 2 years from now, 3 years, 4, 5 years down the line, you're in a game same way. You see me? I say, as a young youth, growing up, getting better, getting more cash, getting more opportunities, seeing other experience that other artists never got to see at this young age. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, you can grow and then you'll be able to talk about different experiences and that's going on related to the youth. Them, yeah, man, you can do it for the generation after you. You know what I'm saying? Bro, keep doing your thing, dog, Najeeriii, bro. Really, yeah. He's a dope artist, very different. Style is very, you know, edgy and raw, so people still taking a while to get acclimated to it, you know what I'm saying? But in time, put in the work, my G, and keep on the track, right? Then we see, you know what I'm saying? You bring a different style, different flavor to dancehall. You see me? You're young, as I said, so you're doing good, so. You see me? I say you only got the sky's the limit, man, so you can only get better from here as long as you're taking the right lessons and follow the right paths and do the right thing, bro. You can only get better from here, man, so. Imagine 5 years, 10 years from now, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can make sure you work toward Grammy and them thing there. CMAs, you see me can make music awards, so make sure you're working to all that good stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, you don't know what time it is. Gang, if you like it, go ahead and show the artists some love and support. Make you know so Jambisco and send it. Make sure y'all drop in the comments what y'all think about the song, on the track, or anything else on my channel. And let me know what you want me to react to next as well in the comments. Make sure you also check out the description for the Discord. Link is in the description to the Discord, a little over there. You can message me and talk to me directly, request videos, all that good stuff. So make sure you join the Discord channel, man. You already know what time it is, gang, man. Yeah. Road to 10K, road to 100K, road to a million. We're not stopping. The grind ain't gonna stop. You don't know it's about Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.